Final 2 cases for you, Eugene. These are snake bites, and we're going to speed open them. Number 1. Okay, not a blue. I'm always happy when it's not a blue. Number 2. Oh, not a blue again. And it appears I missed a snake bite, so let's just let this one roll. We won't speed open it. We'll keep our fingers crossed for those gloves just for you, Mr. Eugene. All right, it's Mouse Guard. No, it's not. It's well worn. We got ourselves a pink. Hope you enjoy your skin. Nice little pair of gloves. Not quite. Another little pair of gloves. No, button masher. 2 dreams and nightmares. First one. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Shadow Daggers, Brightwater. We finally got a knife, dude. That's such happy days from the dreams and nightmares, followed up by a rapid eye movement. I'm very, very happy to be giving someone a pair of knives from just sending me a case in a trade offer. You sent me nearly $1 worth of cases, so I really hope you get more than $1 worth of skins out of them. Let's go. It's not good. Let's get these gloves for you on the speed open. Flame test. And the Prisma 2 has some very, very sick knives in speed open. We could get a knife from this fracture case. And the other case you sent, I believe we can get gloves from. It's a little bit of a blue parade today, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna leave it rolling. I got a feeling about this one. This one is the gloves. Instant gloves straight back to you.
No.
We gotta get some good skins, right? Like the Prince Dream in Factory New Stat Track. That's what we're all... Oh. Let's get it. I will be speed opening them, however, because the Blue Fiesta is strong today. This skin, though, the XOXO. What's the final one gonna be? Oh, that's actually really sick, dude. The Stat Track AK-47 Slate. I love this skin. You are it's in World War I. You are still a lucky guy. But one thing in your video just mentioning... Oh, I was like mid-complaining about how terrible CSGO is on YouTube, and boom, here we go, the Neon Revolution. I love this skin. This one's awesome. Oh, it's in Battle Scarred, unfortunately.